This investment update is brought to you by La Trobe Financial. Make your money work harder for you.
Hello, I'm Chris Andrews from La Trobe Financial. One of the demoralising features of COVID-19 is the rolling lockdowns. Most of the recent episodes have been short, but the Sydney lockdown, for example, is into its fourth week, and this will take a toll on our economy. The only question is how large. Sydney makes up 25% of Australia's GDP. CommBank estimates that the weekly cost of this lockdown is about $1 billion, and that a 7-week lockdown would result in a 0.4% hit to annual GDP. Sydney also has about 22% of Australia's jobs. Based on the April-May lockdown last year, a 7-week lockdown would add 0.4 percentage points to unemployment. But the other states are still seeing unemployment reductions, and history says that jobs bounce back quickly post-lockdown. So the effect could be neutralised by the end of the year. Given all of this, we're still seeing a very positive outlook for the Australian economy for 2021 and 22. Government payments will assist individuals and businesses through the Sydney lockdown and will support the eventual rebound. Any talk by the RBA of tapering its bond purchasing program is likely to be kept on hold until the rebound is underway. But we expect that the underlying economic momentum will be restored as the economy again reopens. All eyes are now on the vaccination rate, because Australia's surest path out of lockdown lies through population-wide immunity. We really need to get a move on. This is Chris Andrews from La Trobe Financial.
This investment update is brought to you by La Trobe Financial. Make your money work harder for you.